Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet lilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet lilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet lilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet lilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa.
Okay, go. We are now on to our fourth game. Women's Division. Laguna All Mix versus Los Baños Lady Galleons. That's a good start. 2 points, jersey number 30 from Galleons. Once again, this is our quarterfinals. We have here Miss Bolahan. Pass to Malveda. Malveda to Guerra. Guerrera, no good. Ibang by De La Cruz. De La Cruz push through. Out of bounds, ball possession, Laguna All Mix. We have here Guerrera. Guerrero, sorry. To Bulahan. Bulahan, no good. Out of bounds, ball possession. Galleons. We have jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 26. Force for 3, no. At the corner, no good. Rebound by Malveda. Steal by Mendoza. Foul counted. That was a good shot made by Miss Mendoza. And that's a foul for Miss Guerrero. That would be one shot. No good. So Miss Mendoza just made 2 points for Galleons. We have here Arceo. Back to Guerrero. To Bulahan. To Malveda. Malveda from perimeter, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza on a rush. No good. That was an impulsive shot, as you can see. Steal. Mendoza once again. No good. Guerrero. We have a technical. We have a technical call.
Technical foul, jersey number 24. For sportsmanlike substitution. One shot. Laguna All Mix.
Jersey number 24, Mendoza, is technical. That will be one shot for Laguna All Mix. And that will be basket. And a ball possession for Galleons. I'm sorry, ball possession for Laguna All Mix. Guerrero. Pass to Bulahan. Bulahan, no good. Rebound by Guerrero once again. No good. Steal. Jersey number 9. Armas to Dimas. Back to Armas. Mid shot, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. 3 points made by Miss De La Cruz from Lady Galleons. Once again, Guerrero is dribbling the ball to Bulahan. Transforms for 3. Guarded by 2 steal. Jersey number 28, traveling violation. And that would be a timeout call for Laguna Olmecs. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Official score is all 4. That was a tough start between the team. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game after the timeout call made by Laguna Olmecs. We have here Dausin pass to Guerrero. Guerrero to Arceo. Arceo to Bulahan. Bulahan, shot clock violation. We have here Miss De La Cruz. Pass to Dimas. Dimas trying to form a play to Armas. De La Cruz forms her 3. Foul counted. That was a nice shot made by Miss De La Cruz right there.
First personal foul, second team foul.
One shot is no good. Rebound by Miss Dausin to Bulahan. Bulahan to Malveda. Trying to figure out to Guerrero. Guerrero to Arceo. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Dausin. Dausin to Guerrero for 3 once again. No good. Rebound by Armas. Armas on a rush to Dimas. No good. Dimas once again. 2 points. Bulahan. Pass to Dausin for 3. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to Armas. No good. Rebound by Miss Bulahan. Fast break to Malveda. Malveda to Arceo. No good. That's almost a good shot. We have here Dimas. Almost steal. To Mabulay. Pass to Armas. Mid-range shot. 2 points. Guerrero. Forms for 3. No good. Rebound by Dimas. Dimas. Steal by Bulahan. And foul. Foul jersey number 9. There's a substitution. Guerrero. Pass to Arceo. As you can see, Miss Cuentas is in the court in exchange of Miss Dausin. Bulahan, no good. I bet Laguna Olmecs doesn't have that kind of luck today. As you can see by their score, our current score is 13-1. 12-point lead by Lady Galleons. Once again, ball possession for LAM. 14-second shot clock. You have 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Dimas. Dimas to Armas. Mishandled the ball. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Laguna All Mix. Guerrero. Steal by Mendoza to Armas. Armas, no good. Rebound by Cervantes. Sorry, Miss Cuentas. To Guerrero. No good. Bulahan. 2 points. We have Dimas. Pass to Armas. 2 points. Forms for 3. Short ball. Dimas. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. Ooh, what a sidestep, but failed. Shoot the shot. We have Miss Bulahan. Bulahan, 2 points. Miss Mendoza is known for her signature move like that. Sidestep shot. We have Dimas, pass to De La Cruz, tries to force for 3. Ooh, no good. Rebound by Bulahan. To Cuentas, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. As per standing, wala pang talo ang Galleons. 2 points made by Miss De La Cruz. And right now for Laguna All Mix, as far as I can remember, they are 2-3, 2 wins and 3 loss. Cuentas, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Miss Mendoza right here is an NCAA player. Clutches for 3, no good. Rebound by Guerrero. To Bulahan. Last 45 seconds remaining time for our first quarter. And a foul counted.
Basket foul. Bulahan. Foul jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
That's a warning for penalty for Galleons. And on the other hand, we have him, Bulahan. Fair shot. Miss Dosin is back in the court. And Malveda is back on the bench. One shot is good. She just made 3 points for LAM. Dimas clutches for 3, no good. Rebound by Bulahan. Bulahan to Guerrero. Guerrero to Arceo. No good. Rebound by Churchy, number 8. That was a fake. And that is it for our first quarter. Once again, Lady Galleons of Los Baños versus Laguna All Mix. Our official score is 17-8 in favor of Los Baños.
Back to the ball game. Second quarter.
We are back. Start of the second quarter. Lady Galleons of Los Baños versus Laguna All Mix. Women's division. Just like what I said earlier, Galleons doesn't have, their standing is 5-0 as of now. On the other hand, Laguna All Mix is 2-3. We have Miss Dimas. Pass jersey number 28 to Mendoza. No good. Rebound by Bulahan. Bulahan, 2 points. Dimas. Dimas pass jersey number 28. Armas, 2 points. Perimeter shot. We have here Guerrero. Guerrero pass to Cuentas. Bulahan clutches for 3. 3 points. Papansin natin, nakakahabol na ang LAM against Galleons. No good. Rebound by Bulahan. Bulahan on a rush. Pass to Guerrero. Faked and no good. Rebound by Armas. Out of bounds. Ball possession. LAM. Bulahan for 3. Short ball. That's chance for Galleons. We have once again Miss Dimas. Jersey number 28. No good. Rebound by Armas. To Dimas. That was a nice pass, but unable to shoot. Steal by Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points. Guerrero. Pass to Bulahan. Bulahan to Malveda. To Cuentas. No good. Rebound by Guerrero. Rebound by Dausin. Steal by Dimas. Dimas steal once again by Guerrero. Guerrero. And a foul. That will be jersey number 8. Pushing foul. That's a substitution. Miss Armas is out. De La Cruz is back in the court. That'll be 2 shots for Miss Guerrero. First shot is no good. Second shot, no good again. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza, no good. To Dimas. No good again. That's rebound for Cuentas. To Malveda. Pass to Bulahan. And another foul. Laguna, I'm sorry, LB just made another foul. That made them 2 team fouls. The ball possession for LAM. Guerrero, no good. Mendoza. Out of bounds. Guerrero. Pass to Dausin clutches for 3, no good. Mendoza on a rush with a foul. That would be jersey number 18, Miss Guerrero. Remaining time 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. First shot is basket. Second shot, basket once again. We have Guerrero. Steal by jersey number 28. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. 2 points. Remaining time 5 minutes for our second quarter. Cuentas to Dausin. Back to Cuentas. Clutches for 3. 3 points made by Miss Cuentas. We have De La Cruz. Boxing out. No good. Bulahan. That's just herself against 3. 2 points made by Miss Bulahan. Mendoza. Another 2. Cuentas. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8 to Mendoza. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz. No good. To Bulahan. Two points made by Miss Cuentas. Mendoza. 15-second shot clock. No good. Traveling violation. As per second quarter, Lady Galleons is 7 points ahead against LAM. Unlike the first quarter, that wasn't a good start for LAM. Once again, Bulahan, 2 points. That was a timeout call for Lady Galleons. Last 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time. Official score 27-22, 5-point lead by Lady Galleons. And we are back after a timeout call made by Los Baños. We have Aramas. Pass jersey number 28. No good. Rebound by Arceo. Arceo to Cuentas. Traveling violation. We have Aramas. Pass to Mendoza. 2 points. Clutches for 3, Miss Cuentas. 3 points. 5 points ahead against Galleons. Tries to shot for 3 but failed. Dausin to Balahan. And a steal for Mendoza to Dimas. Calibro. Pass to Dimas. Have Arceo. Steal by Mendoza. Pass too hard. Out of bounds. Ball possession for Laguna All Mix. Once again, guys, don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page to keep you guys updated with our games, especially Velvet Cup Laguna Season 2. Arceo mishandled the ball, steal by Dimas. Armas, 2 points. Guerrero. Tubulahan. No good. Malveda to Arceo. Clutches for 3. No good. Armas to jersey number 28. No good. Rebound by Arceo. Bulahan for 3. 3 points. Galleons is as of now 6 points ahead against LAM. Another 2 points. That made them 8 points ahead against LAM. Guerrero. Pass Arceo. Tries to clutch for 3. Malveda. Short ball, no good. Malveda once again. Out of bounds, same ball. 10-second shot clock for LAM. Guerrero, traveling violation. Dimas. Pass break to Mendoza. 2 points. Arceo clutches for 3. Short ball, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, no good. Bulahan, no good again. Out of bounds, ball possession, Lady Galleons. There's a substitution. Miss Dosin is back in the court. Mendoza for 3. 3 points. Cuentas. Pass to Guerrero. Guerrero to Bulahan. Steal by Mendoza. Miss Mendoza got it back. 2 points. Foul counted. Mendoza to Dimas. No good. Rebound by Armas. To Dimas once again. Foul. That would be Miss Dawsin. Foul, jersey number 30, Miss Dimas. First shot is no good. Second shot, basket. Bulahan. Cuentas for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 28. No good. I guess Miss Mendoza is exploring her basketball possessions. Dosi, no good. Arceo, 2 points.
First goes Venezuela. Warning for technical toward the lady.
Steal Arceo to Bulahan. Foul counted.
Basket count. Foul user number 30. Second personal foul. Second.
No good. Rebound by Mendoza. To Dimas. Jersey number 28. No good. Dimas, 2 points. Bulahan. Guerrero. To Cuentas.
5 to shoot. This foul is number 20. First personal foul 13.
Bulahan, 2 points. That will be ball possession of Laguna Omics. Touch for 3. Foul counted.
Basket count. Arceo. Foul goes number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus shot for Arceo.
She just made 4 points for LAM. No good. Rebound by Arceo. Pass to Bulahan. 2 points.
Foul goes number 18, 19. Reckless. First personal foul 42. Bonus shot.
De La Cruz, no good. Rebound by Bulahan.
And pass out.
3 points, jersey number 28 from Lady Galleons. Steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, 2 points. Timeout call for Laguna All Mix. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining time. 51-42 in favor of Lady Galleons.
Dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola ay biglaan naging bida. Sarap sa feeling parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasi
We are back to the ball game. Dausin to Guerrero to Bulahan. Dausin for 3, no good.
Foul reversal number 8. Penalty. Second personal foul penalty.
Out of bounds ball possession of Galleons. I'm sorry, LAM. Bulahan.
There's a foul reversal number 9 out of bounds. For reversal foul penalty. 2 shots for Bulahan.
De La Cruz. Out of bounds. Possession. At LB. Dimas. Traveling violation. Arceo to Guerrero. Guerrero pass to Malveda. No good. Rebound by Guerrero. 10 seconds to shoot. Dismiss Mendoza. 2 points. That's for our third quarter. Once again, official score 53-43, 10-point lead by Los Baños Lady Galleons. We'll be right back before our fourth and final quarter starts.
Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga. halika't sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay.
Back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. No good. Dimas. Pass to De La Cruz. No good. 2 points by Miss Mendoza. Guerrero. Guerrero. Pass to Bulahan. Cuentas. Mid-range shot. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. That would be foul for jersey number 18, Miss Guerrero. Mendoza. Pass to jersey number 28. Clutches for 3 points. That was a nice shot right there. Bulahan. No good. Another try. 2 points. Miss Dimas. Dimas once again. Kung walang mapasahan. Help of Kalubig. No good. Steal. Bulahan. Nagmamadali. Offensive foul. Jersey number 23, Miss Bulahan. That's the first personal foul from Miss Bulahan. We have Dimas. Pass to jersey number 28. Steal. Jump ball. Ball possession. Laguna Omex. Last 9 seconds shot clock for LAM. I'm sorry, Galleons. Traveling violation made by Miss Dimas. That's a ball possession for LAM right there. Guerrero. Cuentas clutches for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Pass to Dimas. Dimas to De La Cruz. Steal by Dausin. Dausin to Cuentas. To Bulahan. Bumble out there. And a foul. That's a foul, jersey number 8. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. That'll be 2 shots for Miss Bulahan. First shot is no good. Second shot is basket. Our official score is 58-45 in favor of Lady Giants. Mendoza, 2 points. That was an amazing shot again. Mendoza. Cuentas, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Armas, 2 points. Bulahan. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Arceo to Cuentas. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza. No good. Bulahan. No good. De La Cruz. Pass to Dimas. For 3, no good. 2 points by Miss De La Cruz. Guerrero. Pass to Cuentas. To Arceo. Corner shot for 3. No good. 2 points by Guerrero. Mendoza. Offensive foul. Jersey number 24, Mendoza, against jersey number 23, Miss Bulahan. Ball possession, LAM. Guerrero. Pass to Bulahan. 2 points. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 50 seconds for our fourth and final quarter. That was a nice pass. 2 points made by jersey number 28 of Galleons. We have here Guerrero. Pass to Bulahan. Almost steal. 2 points. Dimas. Fast break. 2 points. Cuentas. Bulahan for 3, no good. Out of bounds, ball possession. Lady Galleons. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for our fourth and final quarter. Dimas. Dimas with the help. Another foul.
Offensive foul on person number 11. Third personal foul, foul substitution.
As you can see, Miss Dimas is in pain. Ball possession, LAM. Bulahan. Pass to Arceo. Arceo clutches for a 3 short ball. Rebound by Malveda. Out of bounds. Ball possession, Lady Galleons. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. De La Cruz. Mendoza. Traveling violation. Guerrero. Pass to Bulahan. Steal by Mendoza. Mendoza. Back pass. 2 points, Miss Mendoza. Guerrero for 3. Air ball. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. De La Cruz. Last 2 minutes remaining time. Bulahan. Out of bounds. Foul jersey number 8. That'll be 2 shots for Miss Bulahan. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds remaining time. First shot is no good. Second shot, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. For 3, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. For 3, no good again. Rebound by jersey number 28. Mid shot, no good. Bulahan. Last 50 seconds. Remaining time. Malveda steal by jersey number 8. Two points. That's 20 seconds. I say for 3. And our winner for women's division, Lady Galleons of Los Baños with 74 points. Once again, don't forget to follow and like our Facebook page, Velvet Sap Basketball. Stay tuned because after this, our Intertown Season 2 will be starting.
Lakas ng stamina, run, malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabara ko. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo, antikas mo na may sportsmanship.